Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering off the iPhone and placing it on a clean, flat surface so nothing moves. Once done, wash and dry your hands to avoid smudges and grab a fingernail or a plastic pick and a microfiber cloth. These are gentler than metal. Start at a corner where the protector's edge is visible. If the edge is stubborn, apply gentle heat for 5 to 10 seconds from a distance to soften the adhesive so you can lift without cracking the glass. You lift a single corner with the pick or your nail and slide it under the protector just enough to create a tab. This prevents sudden snaps. Then peel back slowly at a low, even angle, keeping tension distributed so one spot doesn't bear all the stress. Make sure to use the microfiber to press against the protector edge as you peel to catch any loose particles and wipe adhesive residue. If you feel a sharp increase in resistance, pause and reheat briefly to avoid cracking. You finish by removing any adhesive residue. Lightly dampen a microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl and wipe in straight strokes, making sure no liquid enters ports or the speaker. Once clean and dry, inspect the edges for fibers and let the phone air for a minute to fully evaporate alcohol. This prepares the surface for a new protector. If the protector cracks, don't panic. Use tape to lift fragments safely. Then repeat the cleaning steps before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.